Okay, so we're going to look at the cosA plus B formula and deriving it. Now, first thing is go into your formula booklet on page 14 here, and you'll see the previous rule that we've derived on another video, cos A minus B. And we're basically going to use this idea. So let's go for that. We're going to say, okay, from cos A, and you know what, I'll just put the rule for now, cos A minus B, we have it as cos A, cos B, plus sine A, sine B. Let's just double check that rule. Lovely. Now the only thing we're going to do here is from this rule, put in black now, we're going to say cos of A minus, and we're going to put in our other angle instead is going to be a minus B. So we're doing minus of minus B. So this would be cos of A, cos of minus B, plus sine of A, sine of minus B. So all I've done here is replace the B with minus B's. And what we're going to end up getting is cos A, cos minus B, plus sine A, sine minus B. Now over here, let's take a look at page 13 of the formula booklet. And you can see that if you've got cos of a negative value, it's just the positive version. So over back to here, this cos of minus B will just stay as cosine B. This becomes A plus B here. And over here, sine of minus B, if we take a look at sine of minus A, it becomes minus sine A. So this basically makes this whole thing a negative, which is minus sine A, sine B. And hey presto, we're actually done and dusted on that one, because all we had to do was prove this guy here matches this, which it certainly does. Hope you found that useful. If you did, then like or subscribe, or check out the other social medias where I'll be adding extra resources. If you want something particular made, then just leave me a message on one of those platforms and I'll do my best to get around to it at some point. Best of luck in all your exams.